Welcome back to Money Saver Society, where we make financial freedom accessible for everyone, regardless of income level. Today, we're diving into something every busy person needs: easy ways to save monthly money without the hassle. These tips are for all working professionals and designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine. We understand that life gets hectic, and sometimes saving money feels like another task on your to-do list. That's why we've compiled these simple yet effective strategies to help you keep more money in your pocket without turning your life upside down. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's get started. Our first tip is all about making saving automatic and effortless. Imagine never having to think about saving money again. We're talking about setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday. This simple step ensures that a portion of your income is saved before you even see it. Think of it like this: you set it up once, and then it runs in the background, quietly building your savings without you having to lift a finger. It's like having a personal assistant for your finances. Start small, even $25 or $50 a month, and gradually increase the amount as you get more comfortable. The key is consistency. You'll be amazed at how quickly those small amounts add up over time. It's like watching a tiny seed grow into a mighty tree. Another option is to contact your employer's HR or payroll department and ask about splitting your direct deposit. This can make the process even more seamless. This way, you can designate a specific percentage or amount of your paycheck to go directly into your savings account. It's a great way to ensure you're saving regularly. It's like paying yourself first, before you even have a chance to spend it. This method helps you prioritize your financial goals. Automating your savings is a game changer, trust me. It's one of the easiest ways to build a solid financial foundation. It takes the guesswork and the temptation out of saving, allowing you to build a healthy financial cushion without even thinking about it. Over time, you'll find that saving becomes second nature, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial dreams. Next up, let's talk about subscriptions. In today's digital age, it's easy to accumulate a whole bunch of subscriptions without even realizing it. From streaming services to music subscriptions, online magazines, and app subscriptions, they can really add up. Take some time to review all your subscriptions and be honest with yourself. Are you really using them all? Chances are, there are a few you've forgotten about or rarely use. Canceling those unused subscriptions can free up a significant amount of money each month. And here's a bonus tip: consider sharing subscriptions with family or friends. Many streaming services offer plans where you can have multiple profiles, so you can split the cost and still enjoy your favorite shows. Remember, every dollar counts, and cutting back on unnecessary subscriptions is a quick and easy way to gain control of your finances. It's about being mindful of where your money is going and making sure you're getting value for what you pay for. Let's talk about food, specifically how to avoid those budget-busting takeout temptations. We all know how easy it is to fall into the habit of ordering takeout, especially after a long day at work or when you're just not in the mood to cook. The answer is meal planning. It might sound like a chore, but it's a game changer. I know it sounds a bit tedious, but trust me, spending an hour or so each week planning your meals can save you a significant amount of money and time in the long run. Think of it as an investment in your future self. Start by browsing online for easy and affordable recipes. There are countless resources available, from food blogs to cooking apps, that can help you find meals that fit your taste and budget. Then create a weekly meal plan based on what's on sale at your local grocery store. This way, you can take advantage of discounts and seasonal produce, which can significantly cut down your grocery bill. Once you have your meal plan, create a detailed shopping list organized by grocery store sections. This will not only save you time, but also help you stay focused and avoid unnecessary purchases. This will make your shopping trips faster and more efficient, allowing you to get in and out of the store quickly, and it will help you avoid impulse purchases. Sticking to your list means you're less likely to be tempted by those enticing but often unhealthy snacks. Now here's the fun part: meal prepping. This is where you can really set yourself up for success. Set aside a few hours on the weekend to chop veggies, cook grains, and prepare proteins. You can even portion out snacks and breakfasts, or even assemble entire meals ahead of time. This way you have everything ready to go, and you can just grab and heat when you're hungry. Having prepped meals ready to go in your fridge will make those busy weeknights so much easier. No more scrambling to figure out what to eat after a long day. You'll be less tempted to order takeout when you know you have a delicious and healthy meal waiting for you at home. Plus, it's incredibly satisfying to eat something you've prepared yourself. Plus, cooking at home is often much healthier than eating out. You have control over the ingredients and can make sure you're eating balanced, nutritious meals. So you'll be doing your wallet and your waistline a favor. Not to mention, you'll likely feel better and more energized from eating wholesome, home-cooked food. Let's talk about shopping lists. They might seem old-fashioned or overly simplistic, but they hold a power that many of us underestimate. I know it sounds basic, but trust me, a well-crafted shopping list is your secret weapon against impulse buys. It's not just about jotting down what you need. It's about creating a strategy to navigate the tempting aisles of the store. In today's digital age, there are fantastic shopping list apps that can make your life even easier. These apps are designed to streamline your shopping experience and keep you on track. Apps like AnyList or Our Groceries allow you to create, organize, and share your shopping lists digitally. They offer a level of convenience that traditional lists can't match. You can even categorize items by grocery store aisles, making your shopping trips a breeze. Imagine walking through the store with a clear plan, knowing exactly where to find each item. These apps often come with additional features like recipe storage and meal planning tools, making them a one-stop shop for all your grocery needs. You can save your favorite recipes and automatically add ingredients to your list. But even if you prefer a good old-fashioned pen and paper, the key is to stick to your list religiously. The act of writing things down can help reinforce your commitment to buying only what you need. Before you head to the store, take a few minutes to plan your meals for the week and write down everything you need. This simple step can save you time and money in the long run. This will help you stay focused and avoid those tempting impulse purchases that can quickly derail your budget. It's easy to get distracted by flashy displays and special offers, but your list is your guide. Remember, every time you resist the urge to buy something you don't need, you're essentially putting money back into your pocket. Over time, these small savings can add up to a significant amount, helping you achieve your financial goals. This next tip might sound a bit intimidating, but trust me, it's worth it. We're talking about negotiating your bills. You might be surprised to learn that many service providers, such as cable companies, internet providers, and even cell phone carriers, are often willing to negotiate lower rates or offer special promotions to keep your business. The key is to be polite but assertive. Call your service provider, explain that you're looking for ways to save money, and inquire about any available discounts or promotions. Be prepared to mention competitor offers or highlight your loyalty as a long-term customer. Don't be afraid to ask for a supervisor if the initial representative isn't helpful. Remember, the worst they can say is no. You'll be surprised how often a simple phone call can result in significant savings on your monthly bills. We've already talked about the power of shopping lists for groceries, but this tip applies to all types of shopping. Whether you're browsing online or hitting the shops, always go in with a plan and a list. Before you even set foot in a store or open a shopping app, take some time to consider what you truly need. Are you replacing something essential, or are you simply browsing out of boredom or a desire for something new? Once you've identified your needs, create a list of specific items you intend to purchase, along with their prices if possible. This will help you stay focused and avoid impulse purchases. And here's a bonus tip. Consider setting a budget for your shopping trip and bring only the amount of cash you've allocated. This will make it physically impossible to overspend and help you stay accountable to your financial goals. Let's face it, eating out is convenient and fun, but it can also be a major drain on your budget. If you're looking for an easy way to save money, cutting back on dining out is one of the most effective places to start. Challenge yourself to limit eating out to a specific number of times per month, or even better, per week. Instead, explore the joys of cooking at home. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have complete control over the ingredients, portion sizes, and nutritional value of your meals. To make cooking at home more enjoyable, try involving your family or friends in the process. Host potluck dinners where everyone contributes a dish, or have a themed cooking night where you experiment with new recipes together. Cooking at home can be a fun and social activity, and it's a great way to bond with loved ones while saving money at the same time. Let's be honest, those tempting marketing emails are designed to make us spend money. They arrive in our inboxes, promising incredible deals and irresistible offers, often leading to impulse purchases we hadn't planned for. But here's the good news. You have the power to break free from the clutches of marketing emails. Take a few minutes to unsubscribe from any email lists that are no longer serving you or tempting you to overspend. Focus on unsubscribing from retailers that frequently tempt you with sales and promotions. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. By reducing the number of tempting offers you see, you'll naturally find yourself making fewer impulse purchases. Before you hire a professional or rush to buy something new, consider whether it's a task you could tackle yourself. The DIY approach can save you a significant amount of money on everything from home repairs and maintenance to simple crafts and gifts. The internet is a treasure trove of DIY tutorials and instructions. From fixing a leaky faucet to painting a room or even creating your own home decor, there's a tutorial for almost everything. Not only will you save money by doing it yourself, but you'll also gain valuable new skills and a sense of accomplishment. Of course, safety is paramount, so always assess your skill level and knowledge before undertaking any DIY project. If you're unsure about something, don't hesitate to seek guidance from a more experienced friend, family member, or professional. Creating a budget is a fantastic first step toward financial freedom, but it's not a one-time task. Life is constantly changing, and our financial situations evolve along with it. That's why it's crucial to review and adjust your budget regularly. Set aside some time each month to evaluate your spending habits, income, and financial goals. Look for areas where you can trim expenses, identify any potential financial challenges on the horizon, and adjust your savings goals accordingly. This regular checkup will help you stay on track and ensure that your budget continues to align with your evolving needs and aspirations. Remember, your budget is a living document, not a rigid set of rules. Be flexible, adapt to changes, and don't be afraid to make adjustments as needed. There you have it, 10 easy ways to save money every month, no matter how busy you are. Start with 1 or 2 tips and build from there. Remember, small changes lead to big savings over time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Money Saver Society for more tips, and share this video with someone who could use a little extra cash in their pocket. Until next time, keep saving and stay savvy. Please subscribe for more money tips. Like and share this video so others may benefit. Please leave your comments with tips and tricks below. Thanks for watching.